Hello everybody, my name is Pranav Das and I am a legal intern under Lexis and Company. So today I am going to discuss a case which is a landmark judgment, and I am going to give an overview and a type of summary of the case. So the name of the case is Messer SBP and Company versus Messer Patel Engineering Limited and ANR. The citation of the case is 2005, and this case relates to the arbitration proceedings. So in this case, the case involved a contractual dispute between Messer SBP and Company and Messer Patel Engineering Limited. The dispute pertained was to be related to a dam construction process. This case went before the Supreme Court of India. Messer SPB and Company initiated the arbitral proceedings as there was an arbitral clause mentioned within the contract. So whenever arbitral clause is mentioned under the contract, then in that case the arbitration proceedings can be initiated by either of the parties. So in this case, the arbitrators rendered the arbitral award which was in favor of the Messer SBP Company. So due to which Messer Patel Engineering Company Limited challenged the arbitrators award before the High Court, which set aside the award. So in this case, the Messer SBP and Company appealed the High Court's decision before the Supreme Court of India, in which the Supreme Court examined the validity and the legality of the arbitration agreement which was enforced upon both the parties. And as we know that whenever an arbitral award is rendered by the arbitrators, it is enforceable, but it also has a provision of appeal in the High Court or the Superior Court, whatever deems fit. So in this case, the court held that the arbitration agreement was valid and enforceable. So this was stated majorly by the Supreme Court of India. So in this case, the Supreme Court set aside the High Court's decision and upheld the arbitrators' arbitral award in favor of Messer SBP and Company. So in this case, this case is basically establishing the importance of honoring the arbitration agreements and upholding the arbitral awards in accordance to the law. Thank you so much. I hope this case analysis will help you guys. Thank you so much.